I'm a pretty risk adverse person. And at the beginning of my trading, I always started off with risk management rules. So even from the very beginning, I was like, okay, only this much risk per trade, every single trade. And so I had some discipline right from the beginning. What I didn't have at the beginning was rules that I followed in terms of what was the entry and what was the exit. And I was probably also a little bit too aggressive on my position size, but not so much that it was that I was at risk of blowing up. So the transition to systematic trading for me, it was actually a huge breath of fresh air. Because, like you said, people at the beginning of their trading journey, they like to try and outsmart the market, try and predict what's going to happen, try and choose the stock that's going to rocket to the moon. And that's all ego, right? It's all ego driven. And that was taking me a long time. I was spending 3, 4, 5 hours a night after work, after my full-time job, to try and find all my trades and look at the charts and analyze and set my entry and exit levels and all of that. It was taking hours. And when I moved to systematic trading, all of a sudden it was taking 20 to 30 minutes. And for me, that was like, whoa, this is heaven. And so I loved it. And it all of a sudden trading just became easy and natural because it became almost a button pressing exercise. You download the data, you run the rules, you find the entries, you place the trades, you close the computer, and that's it. So for me, that was just perfect because I was super busy. I traveled a lot for work and I needed something simple and easy. So as soon as I found it, it was easy to follow.